For my class 3 breeding ewes, I placed them 3, 4, 1, 2. I placed 3 over 4 in my top pair because she had the heaviest legs, which means more meat. She was very wide, had great capacity, and great structure. Now I will say uh, that her legs were slightly cowhocked in the rear, but I will also say that 4 was over 3 in a grant because she had more of a loin bulge, which means more muscle in her loin. But I will say that the reason why 4 is under 3 is because she was panting a little hard there for a little bit. She had lighter legs and not quite as much capacity. In my middle pair, I put 4 over 1 because 4 was wide, had good capacity, and was square over the rump. I will say 1 was better than 4 because for how little 1 was, it had great legs underneath of her, which would be the same or maybe even a little better than that 4 had, and 4 had a lot more age on her and a lot more size. And as my bottom pair, I put 1 over 2 because 1 had a little better legs, which means she's going to be faster growing and more meat. She had some depth and was pretty balanced. And overall, I think 1 just has a little more potential than 2. And I will say in the grant that 2 was over 1 because 2 had a little bit of a leveler top. I'm putting 2 last because she had the least muscling and leg structure and lightest bone in her legs. So I placed my class 3 breeding ewes 3, 4, 1, 2.